NVIDIA stock has faced recent headwinds. The stock, which seemed unstoppable for much of the last 2 years, has stumbled in recent months. Shares fell more than 25% through July and early August, as the anticipation of lower interest rates prompted a broad rotation out of mega-cap tech stocks into rate-sensitive small caps, and then sparked the unwinding of the popular yen carry trade. Concern about excessive spending on AI infrastructure also weighed on tech stocks in this most recent earnings cycle. NVIDIA's stock, despite its position as a beneficiary of all that spending, has felt some of the pain of Wall Street's frayed AI optimism. The company has also recently had to contend with reports that its next-generation Blackwell chip may be delayed by design flaws. The news sent shares plummeting earlier this month, but investors bought the dip, and the stock has since recovered. High expectations a risk, says Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley analysts, in a note on Sunday, said they believe Wall Street overreacted to Blackwell delays. They did not expect the delays to change the system's rollout timeline, nor did they expect it to have a material impact on quarterly results. With demand for the Blackwell system strong and older offerings filling in supply gaps, executives, the analysts said, may not even acknowledge tactical setbacks. The greatest risk to NVIDIA stock, in their opinion, is climbing investor expectations.
I just need to build a winning
Results
product.
from hyperscalers and AI server maker Supermicro SMCI point to massive data center spending, leading some to raise their estimates for sales throughout the rest of the year. Morgan Stanley believes that, to satisfy investors, NVIDIA will have to announce revenue guidance for the fiscal third quarter that's about $2 billion higher than the consensus view among analysts. Assuming that all is well with new products, our sense is that the stock needs guidance in the 33 to 34 billion range to be unchanged. A figure in that range would imply a significant acceleration of quarter-to-quarter sales growth. Analysts expect NVIDIA will report fiscal second quarter revenue of $28.84 billion, according to consensus estimates compiled by Visible Alpha, which would be about 11% higher than the first quarter. If NVIDIA meets those expectations, it would have to grow revenue 18% over the quarter to hit the high end of